5th Standard Science, Term 3, Unit 2, Part 2. In Part 1, you all learned about reproduction in animals. That is sexual reproduction, pre-fertilization, fertilization, embryo formation, oviparous animals and viviparous animals. In this part 2, you are going to learn about asexual reproduction. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent gets divided into two new offspring. What is offspring? Have you heard the word offspring? Young born of living organism is known as offspring. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent gets divided into two new offspring is known as asexual reproduction. This type of reproduction takes place in microorganisms like Hydra and amoeba. Hydra, this word is very new to you. Hydra is a genus of small water organisms. In higher classes, you will be learning in detail about Hydra. Amoeba, a very small living creature that consists of only one cell. Asexual reproduction produces offspring that are identical to the parent. There are several ways by which animals reproduce asexually. That is fission, budding, fragmentation, spores. Fission. In this method, an organism splits itself into two parts. For example, flatworms, sea anemones and sea cucumbers. Not the cucumber we eat. It's not a cucumber that we eat. It is a sea cucumber. Divided into two halves and regenerate the other half in each of the resulting individuals. If you can't understand, you can comment in the comment box. I'll clear your question. Budding. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction that results from the outgrowth of a part of the body. Outgrowth of a part of the body. Then the bud is separated from the original organism, forming two individuals. Budding occurs commonly in some invertebrate animals such as hydras and corals. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is the breaking of an individual into parts followed by regeneration. Fragmentation is the breaking of an individual into parts followed by regeneration. Reproduction through fragmentation is observed in sponges and sea stars. Spores. Some protozoan, bacteria, plants and fungi reproduce via spores. Spores are the structures naturally grown as part of an organism's life cycle. They are separated from the organism and dispersed through a medium such as air or water. In a suitable environment, the spores will develop into a fully grown organism. If you haven't subscribed Padam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get the next lesson. Thank you.